On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
This is what came in, boys. I'm gonna give them a try. If they're crap, they're going back. I'll do a side-by-side comparison. I'll wear these and the little side thing.
The next day.
So, trying to replace my old camera glasses that I've had, I stumbled upon these, which I've had Ivue in the past. Never really impressed with them. This says it'll do 4K at 24 frames, which I'll probably never use. But I'll be using the 1080 at 30 frames when I do the comparison videos. I might do a 4K 24 frame just for a test to show you guys. I purchased these off of Amazon. I'm actually using the Ordro EP7 to record this unboxing, and I will be wearing these glasses with the Ordro headset to compare the videos in real time. I have not opened this package yet. I'll open it and you could see it exactly the same time that I do. Fancy. Even get some Ivue stickers, huh? 1 year warranty. It does have a 500 milliamp battery, so technically at 1080-30 I should get an hour of video. It claims a 70-degree lens, which is kind of narrow for my liking. I see it claims 60 minutes of battery life. The one that I purchased did come with a 64 gig card. Doesn't say it anywhere on here, but let's see what comes in the package. Lens cleaner. It's a USB micro A. Clear lenses. This is a pretty nice semi-hard case. It will protect it. Now, in my experience over the years of owning these video glasses, and I've had them for 4 years plus, the repeated folding ends up breaking a wire, whichever side the battery is on this one, which would be the batteries on this side. Looks like it has one button, a reset button, and a charge port. I do not see any place that you can replace the memory card, which is fine as long as this port is fairly quick. So the first thing I want to do is connect them to my PC and set some parameters. I don't want the time date stamp, and I want it 1080 30 frames. That's typically what I record at. Sometimes I'll use 60 frames if there's a lot of action. Most of the time it's 1080 30. So the camera vibrated. This is new for all the video glasses that I've owned before. Normally you have your LED indicator over on the left side or the right side. That must be a charge indicator, and that must also be charge and record indicator. My biggest concern with this is having too narrow field of view and claiming 70. That's kind of narrow. Makes it harder to keep what you want to record in the view. Let's see what they have here in the settings. init.txt file. It is set at 1080-60 out of the box. So I am going to change that to 30 right now. Segment time is 10 minutes. Logo string null. Format, I guess yes, we'll do a format. Time date, no. with an N. Not very many parameters to set, but so let's do File, Save, and we close that. I guess we should let these charge up. So I'll continue this video once these video glasses are charged.
A few moments later.
Alright, here we go, guys. Three vibrations. The indicator's flashing on and off, so I suppose it's recording. Let's see what the difference is. It's going to throw off my view of this camera, but okay. They're riding a little high in my ears because I have to go over top of the Ordro EP7 that I'm recording with also. So right now these two video cameras are recording at the same resolution, same frames per second. Low light. What's up, mini truck? You're the star again today. This device from my last video that I just completed. One Shot Johnny recommended putting a gusset here, which I don't really think I need it, but I do have the piece that I cut out right here. So since I do have to paint this still, I think I will just weld this in as a gusset. Just have to notch that piece right there. Clean it up a little bit. See, if I would have done that to begin with, I wouldn't have had to fill this where I had a little gap. But extra strength never hurts. So yeah, I'm going to do that today. One advantage of these video glasses is I can use my welding helmet. Can't use the EP7. Not sure what the field of view is going to be on these. Let's see. My window is wide open. Let's see if it does any crunching compression of loud audio. That's with the window down all the way. That one's open too. That's with the window up. Guess I should do a field of view test before I do any more tests, because if the field of view on this is too narrow, I don't want them. Also going to do the audio test. See how many decibels I have to raise in my post-production. Hopefully not too much. It's a dark area. Very little ambient light. That's where I keep my tire machine and my spin balancer. Oh. There goes the woodchuck. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? There's a squirrel up in that tree. I don't know if any of you could see it or not. That's probably the only advantage that a smaller field of view would have. Let's go test this video before we go any further. One click must take a photo. long pressing shuts it off. I like that the lenses aren't very dark, and they're polarized, so we'll have to test that in water at one point. Let's see how this pops up. Photos. Oh, that's a little blurry. Focal length isn't that great for close up. That was about 1.5 feet. That low light was pretty impressive. Nope. That's with the window down all the way. Window up. I think the field of view is too tight. I don't know. Audio sounds good actually. Very little ambient light. That's impressive. There goes the woodchuck. You did see it. Whirl up in that tree. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's right there. A wider field of view would have been a lot better. I don't know. Torn. Might have to leave it up to you guys before I do any further tests. The USB connection isn't very fast. It takes about 2 minutes to download however many minutes of recording that was on there. If there's anybody out there that has a better pair of video glasses that they want to recommend, any companies that feel that they have the best video glasses that want to send them to me to review, to compare, send it. Put your money where your mouth is. I'm going to edit this and maybe take a few other videos with the glasses comparing, but I may have already found a deciding factor. Let me know what you guys think, honestly. Keep them? I mean, sometimes that lesser field of view is a little better for the videos. You know, as you can see, you saw the woodchuck, and you probably didn't in these Ordro EP7s. I mean, am I going to have to keep an arsenal of different glasses? Leave a comment, let me know.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.